Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ting here. I hope that you're all doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what is in the June Lengbox and how to use the products. So let's get started. I'm super excited to show you the first product because this is an ingredient that I really love and I'm always going on about it. So this Snail gel is a multi-function gel that you can use on your face, hands or your body, and it's great for soothing and calming your skin, which is perfect for the hot weather to come. Apply it during the day and then reapply as needed throughout the day. Next up we have the Real Avocado Nutrition Oil Serum. This can be used twice a day, day and night time. It's also been formulated to improve the look of wrinkles. There's more, it contains vitamin A, D and E to nourish tired and dry skin. Next up we have a avocado body cream for that ultimate summer glow. This can be used all over your body, your hands or even your feet, and it's great for moisturizing really dry and flaky skin. We have a Centella sheet mask. So this is great for soothing and calming irritated skin, making it perfect for even sensitive skin types. This mask would be great for those days when your skin is feeling a little bit irritated or it needs a bit of cooling. Next up we have a Snail face mask. So for those of you who don't already know, Snail has many different benefits ranging from healing, soothing to regenerating your skin. And last but not least, a cucumber sheet mask. So this is great for refreshing and cooling your skin. And in every single box you will also get 5 free sachets of this Seeker regenerating face cream. There's limited quantity available and it's first come first serve, so be sure to visit lengbox.com to get yours. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!